There is no better place to look than the deep sea if you want to find strange creatures that defy explanation. If you're looking for these kinds of creatures, there's no better place to look. This year was no different than previous years when it comes to the spectacular footage that researchers captured of bizarre new species and animals that look like they came from another planet. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at the 5 super rare sea animals caught on camera. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Blood red jellyfish. Researchers working for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the NOAA, made the announcement in August that they had discovered a brand new species of blood red jellyfish that had not yet been given a name. According to the findings of the experts, the deep crimson jelly most likely originates from the genus Paralia. They used a remotely operated vehicle, ROV, to make the discovery on July 28th, close off the coast of Newport, Rhode Island. The depth was around 2,300 feet. During the dive, divers observed a variety of different organisms. These included a variety of cnidarians, jellyfish and corals, ctenophores, comb jellies, crustaceans, and actinopterygii, ray-fin fishes. Because red wavelengths of light do not penetrate into the deep ocean, many of the organisms that live there have developed a coloration that is very similar to red. Because of this, red creatures seem dark to potential predators because there's no red light to reflect back towards them from the environment. Elusive glass octopus. Also in the month of August, researchers from the Schmidt Ocean Institute released footage of the elusive glass octopus, the Vichilodonella ricardi, off the coast of the remote Phoenix Islands. The Phoenix Islands are an archipelago that is located more than 3,200 miles northeast of Sydney, Australia. The translucent cephalopod was found for the first time during an exploration of the Central Pacific Ocean that lasted for a total of 34 days aboard the research vessel Falkor belonging to the SOI. The remotely operated vehicle, Sebastian, which spent a total of 182 hours searching the bottom throughout the mission, was used by scientists on board to locate the creature. Glass octopuses, like other glass organisms, such as glass frogs or certain comb jellies, are almost entirely transparent, with the exception of their opaque cylindrical eyes, optic nerves, and digestive tracts. Glass octopuses are found in the Indo-Pacific. Shape-shifting whalefish. The Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute shared a video in August that showed a bright orange female whalefish of the order Cetamimmiformes swimming in waters approximately 6,600 feet deep offshore of Monterey Bay in California. Because of the striking differences in appearance between the juveniles, also known as tape-tails, males, also known as big noses, and females, very little is known about this peculiar species of fish, the whalefish. Because of the striking visual differences between the 3 forms, researchers at first believed that they belong to 3 distinct species. It is believed that the shape-shifting change that takes place from juveniles to adult females is one of the most dramatic that can occur in any vertebrates. The Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute stated in a tweet that whalefish have rarely been sighted alive in the deep, implying that there are still many unknowns concerning these exceptional fish. Emperor Dumbo. In May, researchers announced that a whole new species of Dumbo octopus, Grympteuthis imperator, had been discovered. This octopus has been given the name Emperor Dumbo by the researchers who discovered it. During a voyage to the Aleutian Islands in the Bering Sea in 2016, scientists came across the lovable creature after they inadvertently brought it to the surface in a net when they were aboard the German research vessel Sun. The umbrella-like webbing that joins their tentacles and their cartoonishly ear-like fins that mimic the huge ears on Disney's renowned elephant are 2 characteristics that can be used to identify members of the Dumbo octopus species. It was a really lucky find. Alexander Ziegler, a researcher at Friedrich Wilhelm University in Bonn, Germany, and chief scientist on board the research vessel, told Live Scientist, because we weren't really looking for it. Plus, the whole animal came to the surface intact. Real-life SpongeBob and Patrick. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration shared a humorous photograph in the month of August that depicted real-life versions of the cartoon characters SpongeBob SquarePants and Patrick Star standing side by side on the ocean floor. An image of a yellow square sponge and a pink sea star with 5 points was captured by a remotely operated vehicle on July 27th at a depth of 6,184 feet during an exploration of the Retriever Seamount off the coast of New England. The seamount is located in the Atlantic Ocean. Christopher Ma, a marine biologist at the Smithsonian's National Museum of Natural History, who made the comparison for the first time on Twitter, explained to Live Science that the sponge belongs to the genus Herdwigia. while the sea star belongs to the genus Chondraster, Moss said. According to him, the precise species is unknown, and they may even be undiscovered by scientific research. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.